And we're back. This time we're going to talk about Spooky Shiba. Yeah, I'm kind of getting excited about all of these meme coins. And it just seems like they just never stop. But you know what? If you've been a subscriber to this channel, you are starting to see a pattern. A new pattern is emerging for video games, for metaverses, for whatever you want to call it. And this is a perfect example of what I'm trying to get over to you. The new business model. Look at this. Okay? Be the first to play the Spooky Shiba game, the most rewarding stealth launched Shiba token. Okay? So they got this scratch card game. And if you just go over here and take a look at this and play and press play the scratch card game, you can see that if you own $100 worth of Spooky Shiba in your wallet, you can play once a day. If you own $300 worth of Spooky Shiba, you can play 3 times a day. But what I really want to draw your attention to is this. Let's pull this over here. This is the new business model. Okay? So developers are going to start creating these sites like this. They create a wallet. They have their own coin. Okay? And what happens? You buy a little bit of their token, and then you connect up and you can play their game. I think we're going to see this over and over and over again. I think we're going to see a whole new class of games. I don't necessarily think they're going to be different. I just think they're going to be connected to a blockchain. So we're going to see this over and over again. Before I move on, you know, they've got their team here. They've got their tokenomics. Okay, they're talking about who they've got on their team. They're talking about their community. Okay, I mean, it's a real coin. Okay, they've got a roadmap. Okay, of course, they're trying to get the word out there. And they've got some, I guess, prizes or whatnot, some party favors for different people who basically go along with them on their path to trying to be a viable crypto coin. So this is not a joke. This is real. Okay? They have a real coin. They have a real game. They have a real NFT marketplace. I can't knock them. They're using the blockchain to basically build out their perfect video game. Okay? So when we go over here and we look at Spooky Shiba and we see the price again, here's one of those ones that has a lot of zeros. 0.000000000000122. I don't know. Oh my goodness. You know, and here we go again with the supply of tokens. It's just terrible. Okay, 484. I don't know what that is. I think somebody told me this might be a sextillion or whatever this is. Okay, too many coins for my taste. But when you look at their market cap, okay, they've already got 5,886,000. Okay, we can't ignore this pattern. Okay, it's working. These folks that are taking the time to learn how to integrate blockchain technology into whatever small game concept that they have, it looks like they're raising a whole lot of money right up front. So I have to say, I have to give them thumbs up. And I have to also say that I could easily see, hey, people don't even know about the game yet for real. Okay? You know, they've gotten this kind of market cap and people are hardly even playing the game yet. So I could easily see this going up 5 times where it is today. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Let folks know about what we're showing you on this channel. These are going to be the big winners, I'm telling you. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you on the next one.